Let P be a 3 cross 3 matrix having characteristic root as given. Define matrix Q in terms of matrix P and matrix R again in terms of matrix P. This is matrix polynomial. Matrix polynomial. So we need to find value of alpha and beta. To solve this problem, first we recall some facts related to this problem. Let eigenvalues of matrix A is lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3. Then eigenvalue of power of matrix A will be lambda 1 raised to the power k, lambda 2 raised to the power k, and lambda 3 raised to the power k. In similar fashion, eigenvalues of scaled matrix, let's say k times matrix A. So k times of lambda 1, k times of lambda 2, k times of lambda 3. These will be eigenvalues. Write matrix Q in terms of specific method or in terms of matrix P. These are eigenvalues, so you can write easily characteristic polynomial or equation. So x plus 2 upon 3, x minus 0 and x minus 1. This is characteristic equation. After simplifying this one, we have 3x cube minus x square minus 2x equals to 0. We know that Cayley-Hamilton theorem says that matrix satisfy its characteristic equation. So 3 p cube minus p square minus 2p equals to 0. Now write matrix Q. So Q equals to 3p cube minus p square minus p plus identity matrix. You can observe this is minus 2p rectangular region and this is minus p. So you have some arrangement. So 3p cube minus p square minus 2p. So need to add 1p plus I3. Identity matrix of size 3. Value of this one is 0 matrix. So finally matrix Q is P plus I3 or I, identity matrix. Now eigenvalues of Q's matrix Q will be eigenvalue of matrix P plus eigenvalues of identity matrix. Eigenvalues of P are minus 2 upon 3, 0 and 1. So add 1 in these eigenvalues to get eigenvalues of Q. So Q's eigenvalues are 1 upon 3, 1 and 2. So determinant of Q, product of eigenvalues 2 upon 3, and this is value of alpha. In similar fashion you can find value of R. So beta is trace of matrix R, and after evaluating trace, value of beta will be 13 upon 9. Now alpha plus beta, value of alpha plus beta will equals to 19 upon 9.